Hello everyone and welcome back to our ServiceNow HRST series. In today's video, we will be diving into HR service and feedback, which plays a crucial role in measuring employee satisfaction and improving HR services. We will explore why surveys matter, how to set them up in ServiceNow, and how to leverage employee feedback to enhance HR processes. So let's get started. Importance of employee feedback. Employee feedback is essential for HR teams to understand service quality and identify areas for improvement. Without structured feedback mechanism, HR teams may struggle to gauge employee satisfaction and address potential issues proactively. HR surveys enable continuous improvement in HRST by tracking effectiveness of HR services and ensuring they evolve to meet employee needs. A well-designed feedback system helps boost employee satisfaction, making employee feel heard and valued. For example, if surveys indicate that employees frequently experience delays in HR case resolution, the HR team can optimize workflows to enhance efficiency. Furthermore, tracking feedback outcomes allows HR teams to analyze trends, implement necessary improvements, and ensure that employees benefit from the meaningful changes based on their input. Setting up HR surveys. Setting up HR service in ServiceNow is a structured process that involves creating survey templates during triggers, linking surveys to HR cases, and automating post-case surveys. ServiceNow allows HR teams to design custom survey templates tailored to different HR interactions. For instance, a survey designed for a new hires after onboarding may include questions about their experience with HR support and company policies. Survey can be triggered either manually or automatically based on the specific events such as the closure of an HR case, the completion of an onboarding process, or periodic service reviews. Linking surveys directly to HR cases ensure that HR teams gather targeted feedback relevant to specific services. Automation further streamlines the process by triggering surveys immediately after a case closure, ensuring timely feedback collection without requiring manual intervention. Managing survey responses. Once surveys are deployed, managing response effectively is crucial for deriving meaningful insights. ServiceNow captures all stores all surveys responses, allowing HR teams to analyze structured data and qualitative feedback. Analyzing survey results helps HR managers track trends over time and identify recurring pain points. For instance, if employees consistently report delays in payroll issues resolution, this may signal the need for workflow optimization or additional HR support staff. ServiceNow's performance analytics and reports provide detailed visualization of survey trends, including overall employee satisfaction scores, common complaints, and change in feedback pattern over times. Closing the feedback loop is essential. Employees should see tangible improvements based on their feedback. If employees report difficulties navigating the HR knowledge base, HR teams can redesign the interface and notify employees of enhancement, demonstrating that their feedback leads to real changes. So let's explore the HR surveys on my personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance, and if we go to HR and under HR admin surveys, all HR surveys. So this table contains all the surveys, like these are some predefined surveys. If we open this one, So ask a question pre-chat. So this is one of the you can say that survey, and if we open this category, so this is the assessment metric question. Hello, uh, how can I help you? So this is the survey, and if we open this one, like new hire onboarding experience survey, so this is in the different scope. So this is the name of the survey, new hire onboarding experience survey, and description, new hire experience survey, and its state is published. And these are some matrices of response trend and survey summary. And if we open this, and it contains different assessment metrics like how would you rate onboarding experience, did the portal provide needed information in timely fashion, and any other comments you would like to tell us. So in this way we create different surveys for our new employees, and from here you can create the new one, and this is the survey designer from where you can design the new survey. Then improving HR services using feedback. Employee feedbacks helps HR teams identify service gaps and refine HR process for better efficiency. Surveys provide valuable insights into common issues, enabling HR teams to take proactive measures. For example, if multiple employees report difficulties finding benefits policies, HR can restructure the knowledge base to improve accessibility. Leveraging feedback also helps HR team enhance workflows, reduce case resolution times, and simplify service delivery. Advanced HR analytics in ServiceNow enable HR teams to make data-driven decisions, ensuring the improvements are based on the real employee needs rather than assumptions. For instance, if survey data reveals that 80% of employees rate HR case resolution times as slow, HR teams can introduce automation, adjust staffing levels, or refine case management strategies to address this issue. Real world success stories highlight the impact of HR service. A company struggling with IT support response times implemented ServiceNow survey functionality to track agent performance. By analyzing feedback, they identify inefficiencies and introduced a self service knowledge base, reducing case volume by 30% while improving overall employee satisfaction. That wraps up our introduction to HR service and feedback in ServiceNow HRSD. We have covered the importance of feedback, the process of setting up service, response management, and how HR teams can use feedback to enhance HR services. Implementing a structured service system ensures that HR teams continuously improve employee experience and service delivery. Stay tuned for more insights into ServiceNow HRSD. See you in next video. Thank you.